Hello students, I am Bharati Shinde working as a lecturer in Praveen Patil Polytechnic College. In this video we will see projection of solids and the example. A pentagonal pyramid base 30 mm side and axis 60 mm is kept on HP on one of its base edges in such a way that the triangular face containing that base edge is perpendicular to both HP and BP. Draw the projection. So it is given that the pentagonal pyramid is kept in HP on one of its base edges. So we will see this condition as pentagonal pyramid is kept on HP along its base edge like this. So we will draw pyramid like this in HP, horizontal plane. So first of all I will draw a horizontal line and give name to this line as XY. Now we will draw a pentagonal pyramid. For this, draw a line and measure 30 mm distance on this line, because side of pentagon is given as 30. Now measure 72-degree angle on this from these both 2 points. And take 30 distance on this line. So this is 30 and take 30 on this line also. So this is 30. Now measure 30 distance in rounder and draw 5th point. So we have got this point and now draw line from this point. Now give names to these various points as A, B, C, D and E. Now we will draw is center point, O point, 15, center point of AB line as 15 and center point of CB line is also 15, and now draw the line. So like this we have got center point O. Now join all the points to center O. Now take projections of all these points in front view. Take projection of center point O. Then these 2 points lies on the same line C and E, and then point D. Now this is center line or axis, so draw it as one line long, one line short, like this. Now join all these points to center line or axis, and the height of axis is given as 60. So measure 60 on this axis. So this is the apex point. Now join these points to apex. Now give names to all these points. So this is D dash, then this is apex O dash, this is A dash, B dash, and C dash, E dash. This is VP and this is HP. Now we have drawn front view and top view. Now it is given that the triangular face containing that base edge is perpendicular to both HP and VP. Means this A dash, B dash, O dash line is perpendicular to both HP and VP. That is perpendicular to XY. So draw a line which is perpendicular to XY. So like this. Now this is point A dash, B dash. So A dash, B dash, and measure distance in rounder A dash, B dash to O dash. So this is point O dash. And now draw A dash, B dash and O dash line like this. Now next we will draw by taking distances. So take distance of D dash from A dash, B dash and draw arc. Take distance of O dash to D dash and draw a arc. So we have got this point as D dash. Now join and complete the triangle. Now measure distance of axis from A dash, B dash like this. And distance of C dash, E dash also. Now join axis, give name. To this point as C dash, E dash. And you can give name here OP. So this is point P dash and this is also point P dash. And now join O dash, P dash and O dash, C dash, E dash. Now take projections of this top view in stage 1. This is stage 1. and here this is stage 2. Now take projections of top view in stage 1 horizontally. Take parallel line. I have drawn this line as wrong, so correct it. You can take parallel to this line as it is a center line. Like this. Now take projections of front view in stage 2 vertically downward. And now we have got points. Give name to these points, as this is D dash and D here, so this is point D. Then C dash, E dash, and this E, and here C, and then end points A dash, B dash, so this is point A and this is point B. Now join all these end points by dark lines, as we know the rule. Now we will see from top, because projections we have taken from top, that is vertically downwards. So this is the direction of observer. Now when we will see from top, then this O dash D dash portion will visible. So take O dash and O here, so this is point O, and O dash D dash portion visible, that is we will draw the line OD. When we see this diagram, D portion is joined to O, EO, AO, BO, CO, all joined, all points are joined to O. So D we have already joined to O, then A already joined to O, B joined to O, then EO and CO is remaining, so join EO and CO. Give name to point P, so this is point P. So in this way we have completed front view, top view in stage 1 and stage 2. So give names here, as this is front view, this is top view, again this is front view, and this is top view. Thank you.